welcome back to my channel Global Info Online. Hope you are well. Today I will discuss more important topics about SEO. So at first we have to know what is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Its simple terms, it means that the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for procedures, any product or service related to your business in Google, Bing and other search engine. The better visibility your page have to search result, to more likely you are gather attention and attract exciting customer to your business. So viewers, we have to know how search engine optimization work. Now it's time to learn how search engine like Google actually work. When you search for something in Google, an algorithm works in real time to bring you what that search engine consider to best result. Especially Google scan its index of hundreds of billion of pages in order to find a set of results that will best answer your research. How does Google determine the best result? So we have to know, even though Google does not make the inner working of its algorithm public based on field, parents and statement from Google, we know that website and web page are ranked based on relevancy. If you search for chocolate chips cookies recipe, you would not want to see web page about truck tires. That's why Google looks first and foremost for pages that are closely related to your keywords. However, Google doesn't simply rank the most relevant pages at the top, that because there are thousands of relevant pages for every search term. Now I will discuss about Google algorithm. How high reach result ranks is determined by Google algorithm, and although parts of Google algorithm remain secret, years of experience in SEO have given us insight into the most important ranking factor. This ranking factor can be divided into two categories. One, on-page SEO factor. Two is off-page SEO factors. On-page SEO factor is the ranking of your page is partly determined by on-page factor. On-page SEO factor are all the things on your website that you have a direct influence on. These factors include technical aspect and content related aspect, like the structural of your website or the quality of the copy on your website. These are all on-page SEO factor that you can work on like the structural of your website, off-page SEO factor. In addition to on-page SEO factor, your ranking are also determined by a few off-page SEO factors. These factors include likes from other websites, social media attention, and other marketing activities that happened on your business website. Although not impossible, these off-page SEO factors can be more difficult to influence. The most important of these off-page factors is the number and quality of links pointing towards your site. The more quality relevant sites that link to your website, the higher of position in Google will be. Another off-page factor that plays a role in SEO in your competition relating to the niche of your particular business. In some niches, it is much harder to rank than in others. The competitiveness of your market therefore also has a major influence on your chance of ranking. Holistic SEO. With practically holistic SEO, your primary goal is to build and maintain the best possible website. You don't try to fool Google, but invest your time and effort is a sustainable long-term strategy. Working on improving your pages and having a high-quality website will improve your chance of ranking because Google wants to offer its users the best result to their search query, and the best results are the ones that have great content but are also user-friendly, fast and easily accessible. So viewers, we have to know why is SEO important. To understand the value of SEO, let's break our definition into three parts. Organic search result, the unpaid listing on a search engine result pages that the search engine has determined are most relevant to the user's query. Ads make up a significant portion of many SER pages. Organic search results are distinct from these ads in that they are positioning based on search engine organic ranking algorithm rather than advertisers' builds. You can pay for your page to rank higher in organic search result.